Hello everyone, this is a very nice pattern beanie you can see from here, and this one is very easy. This one is 86 stitches and 4 needles can fit up to 5 inches old. Have a look. This is the pattern, very easy. 2 knit, 2 purl, 2 knit, 2 purl, 2 knit, 2 purl, all the way like that for 10 rows. After 10 rows we shift the pattern from knit we go to purl stitch, and the purl stitches are knit stitches, so this is the way we going like that. So easy, any beginner can knit this one. And you can see here when this one is going to change shift pattern every 10 rows, shift the pattern, and so beautiful to look. This one so nice, and even the color is very nice too. And you can make how much length you want, and then on the purl stitches, every purl stitches just knit two together, three rows. From here we start decreasing just 2-3 rows and finish up to here. So this is a very beautiful beanie for 3 to 4 or 5-year-old baby. Thanks for watching.